The Martial Art Lifestyle 10-Minute Daily Workout Challenge was developed to help current and aspiring martial artists learn or improve their techniques, develop stamina, increase flexibility, and improve their overall fitness level. Using a combination of stretches, martial arts techniques, and cardiovascular exercises, this course will help challenge yourself to practice and improve martial arts skills daily while at the same time staying fit and healthy. These routines were specifically designed for students at any stage in their martial arts journey, whether a novice or an expert. For beginners, you're able to learn new striking techniques and prepare your body to be ready for more advanced martial arts practice. For current martial artists, these daily routines will help maintain and improve your existing martial arts skills. The course includes multiple 10-minute martial arts workout routines with different moves, sceneries, and music, which you can use to challenge yourself each day to become a better martial artist and to get in shape. Practicing daily provides a fun way to learn or improve your martial arts techniques and also allows you to challenge yourself every day. If you do the daily routines in this course, you will improve your martial arts technique, balance, stamina, flexibility, agility, and your speed. Some moves may be more difficult than others, but if you practice these routines daily, your technique will improve and you'll be a martial art lifestyle pro in no time. Nowadays, everyone has a very hectic and busy schedule. In order to allow students to squeeze in a great daily workout into their already full schedules, we designed and formatted this course to provide a full body workout in only 10 minutes each day. You finally found a time-saving, health-improving full body workout system that you can actually look forward to. So let's take a look at the format of the martial arts workout routines. Before each workout, I will review the moves and techniques that will be used for that specific routine. We will always start with 1 to 2 minutes of stretches to warm up and loosen up the muscles. The main routine will include 3 2-minute rounds, and the rounds will include both martial arts techniques and cardiovascular exercises, which will alternate in 30-second intervals. The 10-minute workout routines are a combination of stretches, martial arts, cardio, and other workout exercises. I challenge you to complete at least one 10-minute routine each day. The routines can be done either indoors or outdoors, and only about 5 square feet of space is required. For those of you who wonder what to wear for the workouts, you can get fancy and wear a martial arts uniform or just comfortable workout clothes and sneakers. So are you up for the challenge? Let's get started.